Chad, this is Trophy Trolling. Went out today for, we were probably out 5 hours fishing. We went 4 for 8. Nothing super spectacular. We had a minor catastrophe with a broken rod holder on one of my Cannon downriggers. Thankfully, my dad had Jedi-like reflexes, did 6 somersaults, flipped backwards, grabbed the rod before we lost too much. So we were able to circle back and get the other rod, which is still attached to the walleye board. So could have been much worse. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. At the beginning of the video, I also did a little setup as to what my normal setup is when we first get out. So you can skip that if you want. Otherwise, that's good if you're new to trolling and you kind of want to see what I'm running out here on a daily basis. So thanks for tuning in. Please like and subscribe. This is Trophy Trolling. Have a great day. Hey, this is Chad. This is Trophy Trolling. I'm going to go over my setup this morning and just what I run as I set up. So this might be a little long, but I'll kind of give you an idea where I start at in the morning. Initially, the first rod I'm going to put out, or I'm going to get my downriggers out and set up. So we're in 100 feet of water today. The fish have been near the bottom. I'm going to get my speed set up, and oh boy, we're fast trolling today. So generally, on the Great Lakes, what you want to do for your setup is start trolling with the waves. It'll make it a lot easier for you, so you're not working against it. The first rod I'm putting out is my downrigger rod. It's going to be a 2-color secret weapon rig. So that's 2 colors of lead core on the downrigger. So it gives me 10 extra feet, and it drops that lure and line below the ball itself once you get it in the water. So we're going to put this out because we're in 100 feet of water. I'm going to get this down near the bottom. I'm going to drop this down to about 80 feet to start. Let's give you my first rod out. So that one is set. We're trolling kind of fast, but we'll worry about speed later once we get everything set up. Now that one I'm running a spoon on, so I'm going to put out my second one. Again, this is going to be on a downrigger. I've got to set this one up with my fish hawk, so this one takes a little longer to set up. I always check my line, double check it whenever I'm working with my fish hawk. It's so dang expensive. Ready. I got to pick out a lure to put down there. So I wanted to run a larger spoon this trip out. So I'm actually going to goof around, run a spoon that I painted up the other night just for giggles. We're probably going to switch that out a little later in the day. But it's got some glow on it, so we're going to get it down there. Again, there's 2 colors of lead core on here. I'm a big fan of the secret weapon rig. I don't do it when I run flasher flies, just because these rods are lighter. I'll use just mono rods for that. I've got a couple of different rod setups. The important things with downriggers, when you're putting it down, especially with braid, is to make sure you keep it tight. Make sure it doesn't get wrapped up on the tip or anything, because that can be very bad. You'll snap off the equipment. put this down 75 feet. We got both downriggers down. So I'm gonna send my lead core out next, and then I'm gonna put out my gypsies. So we're gonna run a 3-color on lead core up on one of the higher rods. I've been field testing some lures, so I'm gonna plop one of them bad boys out on this. It's an old goat. It's been decent for me on the 2-color, the 3-color lead core up top. It's nice and worn. I believe this is a 3-color I'm sending out, so I'm going to send this one out. This one will be on a walleye board. That walleye board is going to pull this away from the boat, either to the left or the right, whatever it says on the board. In this case, we're going to put that out on the right. And I'm looking on the graph right now, I can see we got fish right on the bottom. That's probably a lake trout sitting down there. So these will clip into the boards on the back. And then with the mono, I don't have to wrap them. I just clip them right in there, send them out. And that'll be out doing its thing. So I'm going to put out the other lead core, and that's going to be a 5-color. I love running 5 colors. As soon as the lead core hits the water is when I put the board on, as far as the other end of it. There's no methodology for me as far as how far back I put them. I just eyeball it, and I know if they're so far back, they're out of the way. The next thing I'm going to put out is our dipsies. I use super long leads with dipsies. Not everyone does that. I have them all rigged up on this, I don't even know what this is. This is a Tackle Buddy. I got this years ago. I can just drop this on the ground. It unwinds it without an issue, and then snap that right to my dipsy, which is nice. I'll drop this dipsy out. I'm going to start these dipsies. These are on braid at the number 2 setting. I'm going to start one of them at 133 feet back, which I think will get it down 40-50 feet. And then the other one, I'll probably run it a little deeper. I'll probably put it like 170-ish, 175. But that's my starting program. This is what I start the day with. That'll be a spoon out on this too. Just kind of like a different mix of spoons. I'm probably going to put a flash to fly on the other one, on the other dipsy, just so I got kind of just like a wide selection of baits out there to start with, until I figured out what they're dialed in on. So I try to get this out a little bit outside of my downrigger. The thing with dipsies is they can be a pain getting out sometimes, especially if you're using wire. So what I'll do is I'll get them out just a few feet down, get them so they're running right, and then what I'll do is loosen the drag, and then they'll slowly drop down to the whatever depth I want to get them at. Sometimes fish will hit them on the way down too. So that's my setup. That's where we're starting for today. Hopefully I'll see you in a little bit with some fish. If not, I might just throw this out there, what my morning setup is. So thanks for watching Trophy Trolling. Fish on. Take them. You want me to take them? Yeah. All right. Boy, that didn't take long, huh? No. I literally just got that rod set.
You got the camera on?
Yeah.
Small?
I don't know. Staying deep. Just sitting there though.
I didn't even see it hit.
It really hit hard. There's a big, oh, another fish right there. Oh wait, that's big. That's big.
Oh, that's you.
Yeah. Yeah, he got tangled up in that one. Let's net him and untangle him. Expose back though after the fact here. Oh, this is gonna be a mess here. Not a very big fish, fortunately. Yeah, he's gonna get in all of this. I'm actually gonna let him go out, back out.
Yeah.
And then, there we go. Just to get him out of the way.
Oh, you're hooked.
Oh, that's okay though. There we go. You know what? We might have got lucky here. Let me just let the boat bring him back. I'll keep tension and just let him keep sliding back.
That's a nice fish.
That's the second fish.
Not a fish.
That's a different fish. Yep. That'll help us get this one in at least. Why don't you get that one? I'll get this one. He's over you. If you can come under me. If you come under me. Yep, there you go. There you go. Perfect.
This is a big fish.
Yep, that's okay. So let's there we go. All right, you take over to the right. I'll deal with this one. You deal with that one. I think we got another fish on this one, but no. All right, we're flipping him in.
He just surfaced.
Yeah, big fish.
It's a big fish.
Look at that nice bull. All right. Well.
You got yours in?
Yeah, I got him in. I said screw the net. Fish out! What a cluster. I love it. Oh, Lord. Both on dipsies, huh?
He's running the boat.
Yeah. You don't move. I'll work around you.
Double hitter.
Yep. It's funny, I was going to just start turning the other way.
Yeah, this one's playing hard to get.
Yeah, that's okay. Can I have you step to the left and watch the fish so you don't fall? There you go. I'm just going to get this out of the way for us. So we got less stuff to deal with in the way. You got a big one there, huh?
Yeah, that's a big one.
Yeah, I just commented too. I'm like, ooh, I like that water temperature.
Yeah.
All of a sudden, boom! 44 degrees. So 2.4 to 2.6 at the ball is what we're trolling. The surface speed though shows 2.7. Both of our dipsies went off. Those are running a little higher in the water column, 40 to 50 feet down. Both with spoons. No, that's a flasher fly. No, they're both spoons, I think.
Oh no, he's getting tired.
Yeah, he's not the only one.
Whoa, he's running.
That's the first fish on that reel.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh, you should have taken it.
That's good.
There he is, Sue.
I didn't have a chance to clean up the boat up the front. Messy.
Come on, get over this way. This way.
Yeah, he's gonna. Oh my lord. Yeah,
This
he's
way.
yeah. Just I would just keep tension. He's just swimming with us. Yeah, that's a nice fish. All right. There we go. That's how it's done. Yeah, that's a nice big king.
That's a nice fish.
Here, I got it. There we go. There we go. Look at how dark he is. They're getting ready to run up the river. Sure. Woo! Yeah, good job. Nice, nice.
There's one on there.
I thought I saw something back there. As soon as we got up to speed,
Yep. And
I think we're just going too slow.
that could be. He's on there, right?
Oh, yeah.
No,
Bad, too.
You like a nice one?
I don't think it's huge. I think I saw him jump this time.
Yeah, it's been fighting. Whoa.
Yeah, there he is. I'm gonna slow it down. There you go. Ready? Go. Sit down right here. Just not on the seat. Perfect.
There we go. It's a nice fish.
Yeah, nice little thing. But Aaron said he wanted some fish, so